Hi, I'm Nora from Accordion Systems. I'm going to introduce our ARAID disk array box for easy data backup. ARAID box is a plug-and-play device, so it requires no drivers and it offers wide OS compatibility. It supports hot swapping, so you can replace hard disk while your computer continues to operate. This eliminates downtime and ensures uninterrupted business operations. The LCD display and LED indicators on the front panel provide real-time updates on rebuilding progress and system status. There is also a buzzer so you can quickly know when something goes wrong. In addition, there is the ARAID I+ software included in the package, which allows you to set email and SNMP notifications on the ARAID status. ARAID also offers scheduled backup. You can set backup cycles based on your specific needs from a few hours to a few days. For more information, send us email at this address, visit our website, or follow us on LinkedIn.